Welcome back, children. Today we are going to read about give and take. Give and take, what is it? Simple addition, word problem, and mental math. Okay, so first we are starting from the addition. Okay, some sums I give you of addition, right? Example, I am giving you 630 plus 765 plus 45. Okay, how will you add them? One method is you will write like this: 45. Children, sometime when you add this 45, you write like this. If you write 45 here, your answer will be wrong. You read the numbers. 1 tens 100. Okay, it's also 1 tens 100 and it's only ones and tens. Ones and tens only means you will write in this side. Okay, always keep in mind, if you get less number, first count them and then you write. Add them. 5 plus 5 0, 10 over 1 is carry here. 3 6 9 plus 1 10 and 14, 1 is carry here. Okay, 6 plus 7 plus 13, right? It is a simple addition. Okay, one more sum I am giving you 60 plus 9 plus 27. How will you add them? The same method. First you write the same place, 27. Okay, then 9 is only 9. Where we will write? Here. It is only ones, and there are two places here, ones and 10. 9 is only ones. Add them. 9 plus 6, 16. 1 plus here. 6 2 plus 8, 9. Understood? This you will do. After that, next some I am giving you of mental maths. Mental maths means calculation in your mind. You have no need to write in paper or to need to calculate. You have to calculate in mind. First example I am giving you 40 plus 20. Okay. So children, you break this number in two parts, 10 10. Okay, 20 के two parts होंगे 10 10. तो that you 5 भी कर सकते हो, but 5 is very long. तो then 10 and 10. तो 40 से आप skip करोगे 50 and next time you will add 60. Okay, तो what is answer? 60. मीन दैट यहाँ पर जो भी नंबर है इसको आप इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो अपने माइंड में. 5 भी कर सकते हैं, 45, देन नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 50, देन नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 55, लास्ट नंबर इज 60. बट इट इज़ लॉन्ग. 10 आपको इजी रहेगा ऐड करने के लिए. तो जो भी नंबर इजीली हम नेक्स्ट नंबर कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, 10 यू कैन इजीली ऐड इन एनी नंबर, राइट? लाइक दिस वन मोर सम आई एम गिविंग यू 25 प्लस 30. आप वैसे भी कर सकते हैं तो, बट जो बच्चे डायरेक्ट नहीं कर सकते तो 30 के आप कितने ब्रेक करोगे? 10 10, 3 10 हो गए, राइट? 3 10 हो गए. 25, देन ऐड 45 and again add 55, like this. Okay, one more example I am giving you. Here I am writing 120 plus 200. Okay, जैसे आप 200 को आप ब्रेक कर रहे थे, सॉरी 20 को आप ब्रेक कर रहे थे, लाइक दिस यू ब्रेक 200 इन 100 एंड 100, राइट। अब नेक्स्ट नंबर 120, 220 and next number is 320, right? You will do like this. What is your answer? 320. Okay, one more. 240 plus 500. How will you add them? 5. 500 here. One is 200, 340, next 440, next 450, sorry, 540, and next 640, and next 740. I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5. Now, how many break you have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? What is your answer? 740. Okay? This sum you will do like this. Okay? Now children, there are some word problem in your book. I taught you in online class also. First question, a factory made 270 bulbs on the first day. On the second day, it made 123 bulbs. How many bulbs did the factory make altogether? तो आपको क्या बताना है कि एक फैक्ट्री एक दिन में कितने बल्ब बनाती है? 270, और सेकंड डे में उसने कितने बनाए? 123. तो आपको क्या बताना है कि दोनों दिन में, इन बोथ डेज, हाउ मैनी बल्ब डिड द फैक्ट्री मेक ऑल टुगेदर, कि एक दोनों दिन में फैक्ट्री ने कितने बल्ब बनाए. तो इसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे? यू विल डू एडिशन. तो हाउ विल यू राइट दिस? Bulb made on, it is word problems. चिल्ड्रन, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है, आपको क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड करना है. इफ़ यू डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन, यू कांट डू that sum. Okay, first sum, it is bulb made on first day. How many bulb? It made 270. Okay, and bulbs made on second day. How many? These are 123. Okay, you add them. 3, 9, 393. Answer, or you can write the factory made bulb all together. The factory made bulb in 2 days. 2 days में फैक्ट्री ने कितने बल्ब बनाए हैं? 393. It's your answer. Okay. After that, one more sum I am giving you like this. It is second sum. Okay. Shanu found 130 to 138 pebbles, and Karim found 44 pebbles. How many pebbles did they find together? So first, second sum, Shanu found pebbles, or you can write Shanu pebbles. How many? 138. And Karim pebbles, how many? These are 44. तो दोनों के पास कितने पेबल्स? हाउ विल यू डू? टोटल पेबल्स दे हैड। आप इसको ऐड करेंगे, 8 4 12, 1 carry 8 and 182 pebbles they had. Okay children, like this all the words problem whatever are in your book you will do. Okay, have a good day. That's all for